I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mixed up emotion. Got my statement.
We will proceed with the discussion. Shoutout nga po pala sa mga students ko sa John the Baptist, no? Sina Cheng, tsaka si Christian Bautista. Ayan, pinagpapa-shoutout lang sila, mga mababait na estudyante. Kung kakaiba yung word problem nila, napapanghiti nila ako. Ayan. So, pag gusto nyo po magpa-shoutout, sabihin nyo lang po para po sa mga recorded video discussions natin. We now proceed with the next item. Ayan. So, this time, this is the graph of our function, and this is the equation. Y equals 2 sine x. There was a question a while ago that I was not able to answer, so I hope that I could answer it here this time. Okay? So let's begin with identifying the amplitude. We usually begin with the amplitude in period kasi we are able to use those values in identifying the domain and range. That's why I also do it this way, okay? So the amplitude is the numerical coefficient na kasama ni sine, the numerical coefficient that is associated with your trigonometric function, okay? So Adon is correct. Let's call on, sige anak, kindly unmute your mic, Kayanan, and identify the alpha for the class.
Ako po, ma'am.
Yes, anak. Oo, nauna ka na.
2 po.
Alright, the alpha value here is 2. And then if we will check on the graph, tignan po natin ang height ng graph natin. So it is at 2. If we will check on the depth of the graph, it is also at 2. Okay? So, tama po ang nakuha nating amplitude. Next is for the period. This was the question a while ago. How do you identify the beta value? Beta yung kasama ni x. Beta lang siya. Beta yung kasama ni x. So in this case, we have 2 sine x. Ay, mahina daw po yung voice ko. Sorry. Ayun po. So, beta po yung kasama ni x. In this case, we have y equals 2 sine x. So, ano po ang numerical coefficient ni x dito? Let's have Angela.
1.
Okay, very good. Ang numerical coefficient na kasama ni x dito ay 1. Kasi dahil x lang siya, hindi na nakalitaw. So, tama po yung mga nag-recite. 1 ang beta value. But this is not yet the period, di ba? Sabi nga po ni Christine kanina, we have to substitute to the formula 2 pi over the absolute value of beta. So I hope I was able to answer the question a while ago kung saan nakukuha ang beta value. Now we simplify this 2 pi over 1, which will now just be 2 pi when we simplify. And then we proceed with this for the domain. For our domain, ang titignan mo lang po ay itong table na to. Ayan. So, domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. And then for the range, we just have to substitute the alpha value. So, if we have to substitute the alpha value to this formula, let's call on Mary Joy. Anak, what will be the value for our range this time? So
Negative
substitute them.
2.
Correct?
Less than.
Or
Yung
equal, less
or
than or equal to?
Or equal to y. Tapos less than or equal to 2 po.
Alright, thank you so much. And that is correct. And we're done, ladies and gentlemen. Ganun lang po kadali. We have our alpha, our period, domain, and range. The 4 things that we need when solving the graphs of trigonometric functions. So please take a screenshot of this. If you want me to rediscuss this item, please throw a clap sign. If we're good to go, please have
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotions.